Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. Now, before we touch the whole Shabdan and Serapi topic, me just have to address this serious issue right here that Jamaica is plagued with. Over the past couple of days, there has been several traffic accidents on the island. Some ended with fatalities, and the Prime Minister is seriously concerned about this issue.
I'm deeply concerned by the number of Jamaicans killed on our roads. Safety on our roads is our responsibility. Jamaicans, drivers, passengers, motorcyclists, and pedestrians, slow down. Observe the rules of the road. Be courteous. Drive defensively. Be considerate. Buckle up. Wear a helmet. The careless overtaker is only rushing to the undertaker. Not observing the rules of the road could cost you your life and that of your loved ones. I encourage all road users to take special care as we use public thoroughfares. The life you save may be your own. Remember, your family wants you to arrive alive. Your government and your Prime Minister is always on the job, always working, always paying attention to what is happening. And I have taken notice of the traffic accidents. The people, I get a sense, especially from the young people, that they have been cooped up inside for 2 years. And so they are going to party with a vengeance. I want to express a few thoughts to our young people in particular. This is an amazing time in Jamaica's history, and you are alive to witness it. We want you to be around to enjoy the growth and the prosperity. There is no need to be reckless. There is no need to be irresponsible. You will get to where you're going even if you drive a little bit slow. Even if you drive with greater care, even if you stop and allow someone else to go. There is no need for this kind of abandonment of responsibility which we are seeing emerging post-pandemic. It is so sad to see the accidents that are happening and the loss of life and labor as a result of that. The cost on our healthcare system, especially those who ride bikes without helmets. There will be a new Road Traffic Act, so aside from my public plea, we will start a very strict enforcement of the new laws and regulations under the Road Traffic Act. And then we don't want to hear about the system fighting against us. That's very tired and played out. It is stupid to ride a bike without a helmet. And that's what it is.
Now, while in on the topic of motorists being careful on the road, me just have to show another video here. And even though in the comment section of the video, because the video is making the rounds on social media, some persons saying it's not a present day video, but me just have to show it to you anyway, to show you how the bike connect in the taxi. People, check out that clip here.
A good man, stop still enough. Brother, they are good man.
I first see this from the band.
Yeah, man. It's up in height. And now man, the bike fly over.
So far. The first we ever see this story.
Now, I can't say whether or not the motorcyclist had any injuries or what, because, you know, though I tried to find out, I got no answers. But I just hope him alright. Now, this one right here sadly ended with someone dying in the vehicle. Check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a big accident here down by Lilliput. Major accident. Oh God, see the driver in the truck. Driver is in the truck, pinned in the truck. I don't know if there was any passengers in there. Oh Jesus Christ, one dead. One is the, oh Jesus Christ of Nazareth, man.
See why we need to drive with care and due diligence on the road? Family, check out this other clip right here. This one is an extremely sad one as the vehicle actually exploded.
Yeah? Rough, brother. Everybody come out, Tommy. Everybody come out. Eh? Where did it come? Hmm? Where did it come? Eh? Where that's up? Somebody in the car? How much are them in the car? You not come out? Yes, somebody still left in the car. Yeah, right I told. And then fly past it. Eh? Yes, God. Okay. There's somebody left in there. See burn up, you know?
Yeah, well, let them burn up.
God. So somebody still left in that car? Alright, in front of you, yeah?
Yeah, every time I run
It's
there.
a blaze up. It's a there's a one left in there. Yeah?
That's it. One go to find it.
One guy living in the car. A guy living in the car. One man.
So, as a quick reminder, family, when you drive on the road, just please drive with due care and diligence. Pay attention, slow down, don't speed, because haste make waste. You know what I'm saying there, right? Nobody rush, you're going to reach eventually. Now, let's touch upon the whole Shabdan and Serapi thing. Now, Shabdan is a popular music producer, and Serapi is a popular vlogger on YouTube. Him run the platform Politics Watch, and what Sir P covers is all different type of topics pertaining to scammers. Sir P expose the corrupt politician them. Sir P no afraid to reveal the gangster them or the don them, and him go in detail when him expose these things. Now, Shabdan has been on Sir P's radar for quite a while now, and Shabdan just not like it. In a most recent post to social media that has been making the rounds, Shabdan lashed out at Sir P, and I tell him, say, yo, come off of my name now, because Sir P has actually covered several topics pertaining to Shabdan. A lawyer sent a cease and desist order to Sir P in a video format.
My name is Donovan Collins, attorney at law who represents Linval Thompson Jr. Now, Linval Thompson Jr. is a partner of Shabdan Records, which is a well-established recording company. Now, Mr. Thompson Jr. has been the victim of several defamatory videos which have been posted by popular vlogger Sir P of Politics Watch. Now, Sir P of Politics Watch has sent out several videos, and in these videos he has clearly stated that Linval Thompson Jr. is involved in several crimes, murders, shooting, and also that he is a part of gang activities. Now, all these are false. Mr. Linval Thompson Jr. is a well-known, well-established businessman, and he is not involved in any criminal activity. Now, these defamatory videos have caused Mr. Thompson Jr. to suffer severe reputational harm. It has also caused him to suffer damages. And we are demanding that Sir P of Politics Watch cease and desist from publishing any further defamatory videos about Mr. Linval Thompson Jr. It is very important that Sir P stop this immediately, as we intend to take all the necessary legal steps to ensure that Mr. Thompson Jr.'s reputation is protected. Now, I know that Sir P has been hiding behind a wall, but I would like to let Mr. Sir P know that there are steps that can be taken legally to tear down that wall so that the public can know who you are. So, this is a warning, Sir P. Cease and desist from spreading defamatory contents about Mr. Linval Thompson Jr.
Now, the court of public opinion, social media of course, jump in the comment section and everybody had their own opinions. Some persons was saying Sir P right for why mad do, so yo, Sir P for just run with the lawyer and Shabdan, while others were saying, yo, Sir P need for just come off of the man name, him just a live on the man name every day. What uno think? Talk to me in the comment section. In my personal opinion, I don't feel like this I go deter Sir P in any way. I feel like if anything, this right here, so I gotta give Sir P even more highlight, because those who did not know of Sir P, I go want to go up on YouTube and go dig up and search for who name Sir P right now, and it I go send even more traffic to the Shabdan video them, because everybody want to go hear what Sir P had to say about Shabdan. What do you think? Couldn't agree or not? Anyway, family, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you believe this is going to stop Sir P from covering Shabdan topics, or you feel like it just going to make Sir P go harder upon him? More of your opinion down in the comment section. Zane, watch on, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.